Let's see. Do you know the administration of countries like America, USA, and England, UK is carried out as per their respective constitution. But these constitutions are different. The American Constitution came into force in 1789. It is a written constitution and has only 7 articles. Even after 225 years, the American government follows the same constitution. The American has only 7 articles. Even after 25 years, that also they follow that same constitution. England has a long history of several centuries. The rulers of running the country here are found in the form of conventions, norms and traditions. Conventions means rudi, adhivations. Yet they are followed meticulously. The meticulously means Savadgiri se. The Magna Carta of 1215 marks the beginning of the development of the English Constitution. Magna Carta of 1215 marks the beginning of development of English Constitution. Even though there are certain written rules, the English Constitution is considered to be primarily unwritten. Okay, let's see necessity of a constitution. There are several advantages of governing a country with the help of rules or provisions included in a constitution. Here is some advantage of constitution. Government has to function with a set of rules. This reduces the possibility of misuse of the power and authority they have given. The necessity of constitution, the advantage of constitution is the constitution reduces the possibility of misuse of any leader. If there is no possibility of any leader, the misuse of power and authority by the government. Second is, a constitution includes the rights and freedoms of the citizens. Government cannot take away these rights. Therefore, people's rights and freedoms are safeguarded. Due to the constitution safeguards the rights. Constitution safeguards the rights of people and freedom of the people. Third is, running of the country as per the provision of the constitution is the same as establishing the rule of law. Then there is no scope of the misuse of power or high-handed administration. Due to the constitution, constitution establishes the rule of law. So there is no scope of misuse of power. Okay. Because of constitution, there is no scope of misuse of power. Fourth is, if a country is run as per the constitution, the faith that common people have in the government increases. They then keep on participating in the activities of the government. Democracy is strengthened due to the increased participation of people. Due to the increased participation of people. Constitution increases the faith and participation of people in their governance, which give the strengthness of democracy. Constitution represents some political ideals before the country. The nation is also bound to act in that direction. It creates an atmosphere conducive to attain world peace and security. And preservation of human rights. Constitution sets the political ideals and creates an atmosphere conducive to attain world peace and security, and it preserves the human right. Since the constitution also includes the list of citizens' duties, it fixes responsibility of the citizen as well. Constitution fixes the responsibility of citizens. Here we complete advantage or necessity of constitution. Let's see what is administration. What is included in the administration of a country? Government has to make law relating to several subjects such as defeating defending the boundaries, protecting the people from the external aggression, reduction of poverty, creating employment, education and health service, encouragement to commerce and industries, protection of the weaker section, making policies for the progress of women, children and the tribal people, etc. Government has to bring about the desirable changes in the society by implementing law. Government has bring out the changes implementing law. In short, governments in modern times have take a decision related to different issues, right from space research to public cleanliness. This is a governance or administration. Governance or administration is the process of taking decision regarding to the issue before the country. Governments or administration is undertaken by the government. The government has to make law relating to defending boundaries, protection from external aggression, reduction of poverty, creating employment, education, health, commerce, industries, protection of weaker sections, progress of women, children, etc. Okay, this is the laws of government, and that should be that should obey from the members, and the government have to do according to law. Let's see background to the making of Constitution. The process of the making of the Indian Constitution started in 1946. The leaders of the freedom movement insisted that independent India will be governed not by the law made by the British, but by the law made by the Indians themselves. A committee was established to prepare the Constitution of Independent India. It came to be known as the Constituent Assembly. Background of the making of the Constitution. The process of making the Constitution of India when start? 1946. It started in 1946, and the leaders of the freedom movement insisted on laws made by the Indians member. We selected the leaders, and that laws are made by that members, Indians. Okay, and for this purpose a committee is developed, and that is known as Constituent Assembly. Okay, here we complete background to the making of Constitution, what is administration, and necessity of Constitution.